Hello and welcome to Avalon Holographics. In this video, we are going to talk about holograms and holographic displays. To understand how holographic light field displays work, we first need to understand how we actually see objects. We see things because light is coming from objects towards our eyes. In this example, there is a yellow light ray defining a point on the flower, entering the man's eye. Similarly, there is an orange light ray entering the woman's eye from the second flower. Now we're going to insert an arbitrary window into the scene. Just like a normal window, the light rays pass through the window and enter our eyes. Just like a normal window, you can see objects in 3D through the window. Now, let's take the special case of two rays intersecting at a single point in space on the imaginary surface of that window. If we extend this concept to all the possible rays passing through this point, we can now introduce this point as a holographic element, or a hogel on a holographic display screen. Now you can imagine that if our hogel had infinite capability to draw all of the rays of light, and we had infinite hogels on our holographic display, we can produce a holographic display that is indiscernible from real life for everything behind the screen. But what about objects in front of the screen? Let's define a single point on an object in front for two observers. Remember, you can consider light rays as continuous lines that go from the object to our eyes. But as continuous lines, it doesn't matter where along that line the light energy is created before it enters our eyes. Therefore, if you create the light energy from behind the object, but to an observer the object appears in front, you can perceive objects in front of the screen. This is how virtual objects, both in front and behind the arbitrary screen, can recreate the illusion of real life and why we can perceive them. It can be helpful to think that a holographic display is like an open window to the virtual world.